Hello, my name is Amanda McClellan. I'm the Instructional Technology Coordinator here at Bridge Valley. Today I'm presenting distance teaching, TAC mechanics, and best practices. This topic will be broken down into two videos to address each section. The distance learning and teaching technologies which you can utilize at Bridge Valley are called Telepresence Access Classrooms, or TACs. Cisco Telepresence is the system we use, and Dr. Harris came up with the acronym. The pipeline that is delivering the audio and video is an internet connection. The system is also referred to as web-based two-way conferencing, or IP video conferencing, or interactive video conferencing. Many other entities have interactive video conferencing available, though the system of delivery may be different. Tandberg, WebEx, you name it. If you work with IT, they can make these systems talk to each other if needed. Like the television we are all accustomed to seeing, images appear on a TV screen. Unlike TV, with video conferencing we can see and be seen, listen and talk, hear and be heard. Also, unlike TV, the video images are being sent via telephone lines over the internet and not via satellite. The system at Bridge Valley can be point-to-point, linking one site with one another, or multi-point, that is, one main site linked to a number of sites simultaneously. At a receiving site, the viewers will see their own site and all other participating sites. Bridge Valley has Telepresence Access Classrooms, or TACs. Cisco Telepresence is a new generation video conferencing system that provides users an immersive face-to-face meeting experience using three 65-inch high-definition LCD televisions and CD quality audio. Cameras and microphones are pre-positioned to eliminate the need for adjustments. Presentations, like PowerPoint, can appear via ceiling-mounted projectors. Calls can be point-to-point or multi-point. If you want to do more research on the system, search for Cisco Telepresence SX80. TAC Mechanics, the how-to guide on how to use the equipment. In every TAC room, you will find the same equipment. Two LCD television displays with a remote, NEC brand, black with a red button, one at the front of the classroom and one along a side wall. A ceiling-mounted projector with remote, Dell or Gray remote. A dedicated computer at the instructor podium station. A Touch 10 device, looks like an iPad with a built-in stand. A lapel microphone with rechargeable battery station. Ceiling-mounted microphones. A speaker track camera and speakers located at the front of the classroom near the television display. And a side camera located above the television on the side wall of the classroom. There are currently 4 rooms set up as TACs. They are Main 307, ATC 214, Davis 305, and Davis 301. 2 additional rooms should be available for spring 2016. Those rooms are Main 321 and Davis 506. Note that desktop PCs are available in Davis 506 and laptop PCs are available in ATC 214. In order to use the TAC system, you must request it via a help desk ticket. This applies for meetings and for courses. All of the TACs are set up to auto dial and answer. Once your help desk ticket has been confirmed, the system is set up. The connection will be established 10 minutes prior to your official start time and will last 10 minutes after the official end time of your meeting or class. If you are teaching remotely, you will need to provide your students with access instructions. For students in the remote classroom, they will need to complete the following steps. Turn on classroom lights. Lower projector screen if available. Use remote to turn on ceiling-mounted projector. Use remote to turn on both LCD televisions. In the room you are presenting from, or the live room, you will also need to get the TAC ready. Turn on classroom lights. Use remote to turn on ceiling-mounted projector. Use remote to turn on both LCD televisions. If using a computer display, plug in your computer using the VGA, USB, and speakers. You can use the podium computer or bring your own. Put on lapel microphone and turn it on. If the battery is not charged, replace with a new battery from the charging unit. Turn on the Touch 10 device and make necessary adjustments: layout, sound, PC display sharing. The part of the TAC you as the instructor will interact with is called the Touch 10. It is touch activated and looks similar to an iPad. The unit should be on at all times. If the display is black, just touch the screen to turn it on. The Touch 10 has 4 main buttons on its home screen: Dial, Contacts, Meetings, and Share. The only one we need to be concerned with is Share. I have included a link or QR code to the complete Touch 10 user guide for your reference. Tap the upper left corner to activate or deactivate the Do Not Disturb feature, to activate or deactivate the Standby feature, and to access the settings. This area tells you the name of your Telepresence unit, should you need to give it to someone so that they can contact your TAC. Tap Camera to activate Self-View and camera settings. Self-View will show you a small window on your display so that you can see exactly what the remote location sees from your camera. Each classroom has preset camera settings. Test them out and learn how to adjust them if necessary using the camera controls. Presets: Instructor Podium, Whiteboard, Instructor Zoomed Out, Class View. Select which one you want to use. You can always go back to this area and change the settings during your call. Click on the Self-View button to see a preview on your displays. Turn on tracking in the upper right if you tend to walk around the room and want the camera to follow you. Press the microphone button to mute or unmute the microphone. The microphone will transmit only when the green LED is illuminated. Press and hold the left side of the volume button to decrease the loudspeaker volume and the right side to increase the volume. Once a call has been connected, you will see the layout options on the main screen of the Touch 10. There are 3 layouts available: Discussion, Local Presenter, and Remote Presenter. Tap on the word Layout to display the 3 options. Discussion allows you to see the entire class in one display and then a zoomed-in display of the person talking in the remote classroom. Local Presenter allows you to see the entire class in one display and can share content from your PC. Remote Presenter allows you to see the other classroom and they can share the display from their PC. In order to share your display, you will need to make sure the ceiling-mounted projectors in all locations are turned on. Use the remote. You can use the Instructor Podium PC or you may bring your own. If you bring your own computer, you will need to plug in all 3 inputs: VGA, USB, and speaker. To share your display, use the Share button on the Touch 10 and then select PC. Your PC display should appear on the projector in all of the classrooms. To stop sharing, select the Stop Sharing button in the lower left of the Touch 10. To disconnect yourself from a call, tap End. At the end of a session, turn off the projector and television displays. Log out of the computer. Turn off the lapel microphone. The front of the battery pack displays battery life. Please change out the battery pack only when the batteries are totally drained. These steps need to be done in all meeting rooms, live or remote. Typically, during the first week of each semester, someone from IT will be available to help you get the equipment up and running. It is best to contact the IT office ahead of time to see if someone is available at the start of your class, at least for the first meeting. It is imperative that someone at the remote location be there to turn on the system and help with any troubleshooting. If someone from IT is not available, reach out to a colleague in that building. The IT support phone numbers are Main 304 205 6715, Montgomery 304 734 6669, and ATC 304 205 6735. This concludes the first video. Please see the next video, Best Practices, How to Effectively Teach Remotely, for best practices of how to effectively utilize the TACs.